Namaskar students. Today we are going to start with our new chapter, Water, a Natural Resource. So every one of you know water is a very important resource. It's a renewable resource, but it should be used judiciously. There are two types of sources of energy, renewable and non-renewable. Renewable resources of energy are those which can be naturally replenished, like solar energy, wind energy, plants, forests, water. These are all examples of renewable sources of energy. Now coming to non-renewable energy sources. They are finite. If they are not used judiciously, they will be depleted. They will get finished off like coal, petroleum, natural gas. Now water is a renewable resource. It is constantly being circulated in nature through hydrologic cycle. Water makes up 60 to 70% of the weight of all the organisms. Water is present on the earth as surface water, rivers, dams, groundwater. There are different natural sources of water like oceans, ponds, rivers, lakes and streams. Water resources are divided into different categories like surface water resources and groundwater resources. Each part of these categories, they are contributing to the hydrological cycle. All of us know that water gets evaporated in the vapor form due to the heat of the sun. Then in the upper layers of the atmosphere, it gets cooled down and forms clouds. From there, it can get precipitated in the form of rain or snow. Why is water a renewable resource? Because it evaporates out, forms the clouds, then comes back again in different forms like rain, snow or a hailstorm. The water then runs into rivers and dams where it is used and waste is partially cleaned before it makes it to the sea, where again the cycle begins. Now what is groundwater? It is the water under the ground where the soil is completely filled or saturated with water. Rainwater seeps through the topsoil layers and traveling through the different layers till it reaches to the non-porous layer. It gets collected there and there it forms the underground water. The top level of this underground water is called water table. Underground water is also called as aquifer. In the places where this groundwater is not used judiciously, there the level of the water table starts declining, which is not good. So as a responsible citizen, we need to keep care that we don't waste water, and the rainwater which we are receiving, that should be collected, supplied to the ground to increase the water table. So today we have learned the different sources of water and their importance. We'll continue in the next video. Thank you.